Hi, greetings, welcome. If you're going for a really stressful time and you feel like your back's against the wall and you've got nowhere to turn to, and you've heard that meditation may provide you a sense of hope, a sense of peace and calm, yet you can't find a suitable video that's short enough, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Ntathu and I'm a yoga and meditation teacher, and I've been teaching yoga and meditation for like over 20 years. I'm a mother, I've got 3 grown-up daughters, so you can imagine that over the years we've had lots of ups and downs. On my channel I share really super simple guided meditations and breathing exercises, things you can do anywhere, anytime when you need a moment of calm, a bit of peace and quiet in your life. Just come along, check out the latest video, and I guarantee you'll find a sense of peace in your busy day. So I publish videos once a week, so subscribe for good vibes, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, lots of love, namaste.